What's up, minions? In this video, we're talking about whether or not it's worth it to use specialized profiles. If that's something you're interested in, stick around. For those who don't know me, I'm Lex DeVille, and on this channel, we help people escape corporate prison and achieve personal world domination. If you're new, consider subscribing. In today's video, we're going to be looking at specialized profiles. We're not actually looking at them. I'm just going to tell you my reasons for using them or not using them. You're probably wondering if they're worth your time, if you should set up a specialized profile. Freelancers for a long time have been asking this question of, what if I have more than one skill? What if I can do copywriting and web design? What if I can help people with video editing and animation or something like that? You know, you've got all these different skills and you don't want clients to miss those opportunities. So sometimes some of you do this one thing where you put all the skills in the title. You put all your skills in your title and then you never get invited to gigs, you never get responses, you don't know why. That doesn't work for you because it's not targeted, it's not going to rank for SEO very well, and it's just not going to be easy for clients to tell you what to do. So now Upwork has this feature where you can do specialized profiles, and some of you are already using these and some of you are not using them, haven't decided. My experience whenever I use specialized profiles was I tried it out for a while and I didn't really like it, and I'm not using them anymore. But there are some situations where I think that it would be okay to use specialized profiles, and I'll get to those here in a minute. But let me first tell you about the reasons why I'm not using specialized profiles, even though Upwork wants to push that on us. So you have this generalized profile, you have your main profile, and you've got like your keyword at the top. Hopefully you're only using a keyword that's like 1 to 3 words long, you know, like direct response copywriter. That's 3 words. It's very targeted. It's not very niche down, but you can still use it. If you do that, and if you build your profile around that one keyword, then it ranks better in search results. So you go over to the search results. If you're a client, they search for this one thing. They search for direct response copywriter, and maybe your name shows up at the top if you're optimized for that keyword. Now, if you use specialized profiles, you're splitting this. You have direct response copywriter, maybe you have WordPress web designer, and maybe you even add a third one, which is video editor, whatever that other skill is. Now it's getting split. What happened for me, at least, was my SEO seemed to get split and I did not rank as well in search results. And that was a problem because now other people were ranking higher than me, which means when clients would search for a certain skill, Upwork would show those freelancers who outranked me first. And I didn't like that. So for some reason, specialized profiles hurts my general profile. It hurts my SEO search rank overall. And that's a problem. So that's one of the reasons I stopped using it. Another reason why I stopped using specialized profiles is because whenever I would search for one of the search terms, even if it wasn't the specialized profile search term, if I just searched my main search term for my general profile, whenever my profile showed up in search results, it would show up with inaccurate information. It would show up saying, this freelancer has only earned this amount. And that was because it was showing a specialized profile rather than the generalized profile, which is the one I had targeted for that keyword. So it showed the wrong profile, which therefore showed the wrong amounts earned. It showed that I had done less work in that skill, and I didn't really understand why it was showing all of these things incorrectly. So that's a problem for me, because whenever a client is scanning through freelancers and they see something like, first of all, they might see the wrong title because it's showing a specialized profile. If I want to, let's say a client searches for direct response copywriter and that's my main profile title, and then instead of that, WordPress web designer shows up. That's the one that shows up in search results for whatever reason. That's a problem, and that causes me to lose invitations. It causes me to miss opportunities, which could have been invites to big gigs. I don't know. So that's one of the other main reasons that I stopped using specialized profiles. Now, as of today, I'm not even showing my profile publicly. I got tired of messing with having to please Upwork every single month, just to have my profile public. I thought that was stupid. And plus, I have a lot of people who come and try and copy from my profile, freelancers who see me on YouTube, and then they go and they like steal stuff from my profile, and sometimes some of them just copy and paste it right into theirs. Some of them even use pictures that are either me or pictures of people who kind of look like me but from a different country. That's really weird. So I just set my profile to private, and now I only apply to people who I really want to work with, so it doesn't even matter anymore. And that's the one situation where you could, I suppose, use different profiles, the specialized profiles, and have it not matter that much. So if you don't care if you get contacted every day, if you're willing to set your profile to private and work from that state, then you could have 2 or 3 profiles, because you're only going to get clients. You're only going to show clients the profile you want them to see. So you're only going to reach out to clients whenever you see something that you want to do. And when you do that, you're going to send out your specialized profile. You're going to send out a proposal or whatever you want to do based on that specific job. And then if the client likes what they see, they can come in further. That's what I do today. I'm only using my private profile right now. There's just too many people trying to copy it, and I just don't care anymore if I show up in search results. It's not a big deal to me. It might be a big deal to you though. And if you need to rank in search results, I would recommend at least testing generalized profile versus having specialized profiles, because even one extra specialized profile hurt my search rank, and that could be a huge problem for you. So if you're having that problem, maybe switch back to the generalized profile and just have one really targeted profile, and then have like a frequently asked questions section in your bio where you can say, hey, I also do this skill and this skill and this skill, and that's going to let the client know. So I mean, if you focus all of your efforts around pulling in a certain type of client, writing a good bio that they read to the end, and then getting to that frequently asked questions section so that they can see that you do other skills, you're still going to have an opportunity to sell those skills and use those skills and attract the right people. That's my thoughts on it, but let me know your thoughts in a comment down below. Have you had the same experience? Are you using specialized profiles? And if so, are you still ranking at the top of search results for your search terms? Has it hurt your search results in any way? And has it damaged your freelance experience? Has it lowered your invitations, or have you noticed an increase? For me personally, I was lower in search results and I got less invitations. And so now today my profile is just set to private, and I don't even worry about it anymore. I can set up specialized profiles or not, and I can use those anytime, and I'm just not really worried about search results. So let me know your thoughts in a comment down below. Remember to rate, comment, subscribe if you liked anything in this video, and click the notification bell if you want more of my videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Lex DeVille, and I will see you next time.